Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super important topic in trading: the difference between a market order and a limit order. If you're new to investing or just want to sharpen your skills, this is for you. Let's dive right in. First off, what's a market order? Imagine you're at an auction and you need to buy something right now, no questions asked. A market order is exactly that. It's an instruction to buy or sell a stock, bond, or any asset immediately at the current market price. The biggest advantage? It's fast and guarantees execution, which is perfect for volatile markets where timing is everything. But here's the catch. You might end up paying a bit more or getting less than you hoped for due to price fluctuations, known as slippage. Now, let's talk about limit orders. This is like setting a specific price you're willing to pay or accept. For example, if you want to buy shares of a company but only at $50 per share or less, you place a limit order. It won't execute until that price is met or bettered. The pro here is control. You dictate the terms and avoid overpaying. However, there's a downside. It might not go through at all if the market doesn't hit your price, potentially causing you to miss out on opportunities. So, what's the key difference? A market order prioritizes speed over price, while a limit order prioritizes price over speed. Think of it this way. Use a market order when you need to act fast, like during a big market move. But if you're playing the long game and want to lock in a good deal, go for a limit order. In 2025, with trading tech evolving rapidly, understanding these tools can give you a real edge. Whether you're day trading or building a portfolio, choose wisely based on your strategy. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. See you next time.